2020 Ford F-250 7.3 liter beast. Huge truck with a huge engine. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, and it's a gasser. There's the converters there and there. Then we left this massive resonator or muffler or whatever you want to call it. And then we cut everything else off because this thing comes with one muffler here, another muffler, and then two resonators out the back. So he wanted sound, was watching our YouTube channel, said, I want sound. I said, we'll give you sound. So that's what we did. It's 3-inch pipe where the mufflers used to be, the other two, and put a FLOWMASTER Outlaw, part number 15430S. As you guys can see, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then we continued the 3-inch pipe into another resonator that comes on this thing. We didn't cut it off. And then, you know, you got to complete it because it's such a massive truck. You got to put a 6-inch tip on it. Anything smaller would look funny on it. And I think you guys agree. So it's got a 6-inch by 18 black tip right there. This is the other resonator we cut off and other muffler we cut off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, if you like the sound, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to buy it, there'll be a links in the description. Enjoy. Oh, that's perfect. Woo, I can feel the air all the way here. 7.3 beast. Wow, you feel it all the way here. You know, I've never, like, all the videos I've done, you never feel the air all the way to here. That is, look, that is crazy. I can feel it. Wow. Sound decibels? See if you, I wanted to true duel it for you. That one. We can. Go ahead, give it gas again. Oh, he's gonna run us over, huh? Okay. That sounds so good. Yeah, that sounds beautiful. That's, I think, perfect. Exactly what you were looking for. I'm glad he recommended it. You nailed it. Like I said, if you still want it louder, we can make it louder. No, that's perfect. No. But I think that's perfect. Yeah. Neighbors won't get too mad. Exactly. I love the stance on these things, man. Yeah, I made sure to get you the long one because you can see it, you know. If you can get some black paint and paint that pipe, yeah, some high temp, it'll look really nice. This sounds so good. Beautiful. What do you guys think? I like it. FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Let you guys hear it on the inside. I love it. F-250 2020. That thing's a beast. I love big trucks. I love everything. As long as it's got 4 wheels, I love it. I think you guys agree too. The biggest thing is it's got to sound nice. This thing sounds like a beast.